Welcome back to Future Fuel, your go-to channel for the latest in automotive innovation. Today, we're diving into the exciting world of the 2025 Honda CR-V. Whether you're a long-time CR-V fan or just curious about what Honda has in store, this is the SUV you don't want to miss. A bold new look. The 2025 Honda CR-V has undergone a stylish transformation, blending sophistication with a sporty edge. Its redesigned front fascia features a bold grille and sharper LED headlights, giving it a more commanding presence on the road. The aerodynamic lines and sculpted bodywork not only enhance its aesthetics, but also improve efficiency. Honda has truly elevated the CR-V's design to meet modern tastes while maintaining the practicality it's known for. Interior excellence? Step inside, and you're greeted by a spacious, tech-forward cabin. The 2025 CR-V offers premium materials, soft touch surfaces, and an intuitive layout that makes every drive a pleasure. Honda's updated infotainment system boasts a crisp 10.2-inch touchscreen with wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. The cabin also features customizable ambient lighting, a panoramic sunroof, and advanced noise-canceling technology for a serene experience. With generous legroom in the rear and up to 75.8 cubic feet of cargo space, it's perfect for family road trips or hauling gear. Performance that inspires confidence? Under the hood, the 2025 CR-V comes with multiple powertrain options to suit every driver's needs. The standard 1.5-liter turbocharged engine delivers 190 horsepower, offering a smooth yet spirited drive. For those seeking even more efficiency, Honda has refined its hybrid powertrain, combining a 2.0-liter Atkinson cycle engine with dual electric motors. Together, they produce an impressive 204 horsepower while achieving outstanding fuel economy. For the adventurers out there, the available real-time all-wheel drive system ensures you're ready for any terrain, from city streets to rugged trails. With improved handling and an updated suspension, the CR-V promises a dynamic driving experience. Next level technology? The 2025 CR-V is packed with cutting-edge technology. Honda's latest suite of safety features, Honda Sensing 360, comes standard. This includes adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, collision mitigation, and even traffic jam assist for smoother commutes. Additionally, the SUV offers a head-up display, wireless charging, and multiple USB-C ports for ultimate convenience. For audiophiles, the premium 12-speaker Bose sound system transforms every drive into a concert-like experience. Electrification and sustainability? As part of Honda's commitment to a greener future, the hybrid and plug-in hybrid variants of the CR-V are at the forefront of the lineup. These models not only reduce emissions, but also provide impressive range and efficiency. Honda's goal is to make electrified options accessible without compromising performance or reliability, and the 2025 CR-V is proof of that vision. Trims and pricing? The 2025 Honda CR-V is offered in a variety of trims, catering to all preferences and budgets. From the well-equipped base model to the luxurious touring trim, there's something for everyone. Pricing starts at a competitive $31,500 and, with hybrid models beginning around $35,000. And, when you consider its blend of features, performance, and reliability, the CR-V remains a strong value in the crowded SUV market. Why the CR-V stands out? The Honda CR-V has always been a leader in its class, and the 2025 model continues that legacy. Its perfect balance of style, practicality, and innovation makes it a top choice for families, commuters, and adventurers alike. With its refined design, advanced technology, and commitment to sustainability, the 2025 CR-V is truly an SUV built for the future. Final thoughts? The 2025 Honda CR-V is more than just a vehicle. It's a statement of Honda's dedication to excellence. Whether you're upgrading your ride or exploring the world of electrified SUVs, the CR-V is ready to exceed your expectations. Thanks for watching Future Fuel. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to stay updated on the latest automotive news and reviews. Let us know in the comments what excites you most about the 2025 Honda CR-V. Until next time, drive safe and stay fueled for the future.